Hi, Indigo Civilization people. So I just want to share with you, I just drafted a simple website that we can also use to document our progress, as well as share important documents, so we have everything in the same place, and also project manage. So it's just a draft, it's private, and it's just to share among us important information, especially as the team I expect will grow. We want to have one source of truth. So just walk you through the basic functions. There is a navigation at the top here, which is synchronized with all the other pages. So anything you change in this, when you hover over it, it becomes red. It means that it will change over all the other pages. Blog, so you can see the things that are happening, maybe with some key dates and what it is, a talk. These are key documents, so you can click on them and you can download the PDFs. In the events, so this is the first notes that we've taken some notes of today. So you can see that these are the notes I've taken of today. Yeah, anything that is important for us, so you can easily collapse it like this and then go back to your navigation. And this is the list of people with the email. As the team of ambassador and scientific community will grow, it's hard to keep tab of everybody, but here at a glance you can see people's face. And then here is manage. So actually, I just want to show you really quickly some functionality and how easy it is for you to edit. So let's say, for example, I found an image that I like about project management. Let's say I like this image because it's, for example, say I copy the image and I simply paste it like this. Okay, and yeah, so that was it. If I wanted to paste a YouTube video, it would be the same. If I want to delete it, I just go on the left and delete it. If I want to embed an external database, so for example here I would say I will embed a board. So I will embed a board view of our tasks, for example, and our tasks will show up right there. They also have their own page. I can easily also hide the title. If I wanted to go to the page itself, I have this little navigation tab here, and if you go on the navigation page here, we can have a project management, like a Kanban board, and we can create tasks, assign them to people, add a particular deadline or whatever you want. You can create a timeline with the dependencies and show them as a year or as a week or however you want to show it. It's basically a super powerful platform that sort of looks like a website, but operate more like a wiki that you can all very easily edit. So yeah, so our next meeting I'll be documenting here, and I will just type here, and I will invite you as well, and you will be able to edit this document just like a Google Doc in real time. We can all edit it at the same time. So I'm not saying we absolutely must use this. I'm very used to this platform. It's not expensive, and actually you can use a free account for the longest time, but it will allow us to collaborate quite effectively, I reckon. So yeah, I'll see you on the March 8th. Bye.